Hey guys, today we're at the warehouse. Today we've got a case of the new Fast and Furious stuff, so let's open this up. Sorry if the video quality is not very good today, I'm on my phone. Yeah, let's open it up. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, just what I was looking for. Case of the, what is it, Motor City Muscle. Sick. Let's have a look at these cars. I'll just leave it up here. Alright, we have the 61 Impala. That's very nice actually, love it. Love the no pillars on it. We have the 66 Nova. Yeah, these are really cool. Next we have the Ford Torino. Very cool. Probably my least favorite of the set though. Don't like too much chrome even if it is a muscle car. This is from my keys by the way. Came here to get another key cut for my car, so that's why the key's not on it. Next, probably the best of the set, the star, the Buick Grand National. Too bad it doesn't have the removable front that one of them does, but there's that. And oh no, this is my favorite for sure. The F-150 SVT Lightning. Definitely be getting extras of this. I'll get one set and extra Lightning. This thing is so cool. I saw one in real life just on the street a while back. So nice. Pretty rare in real life apparently as well. So yeah, there's Motor City Muscle. We've got some pretty nice looking pegs here with the Minecraft stuff, but it's pretty empty in terms of like what I'm looking for. But they have a lot more cases of this stuff and some more Boulevard, which is mix A. So again, not what I'm looking for. Completely empty from compared to last time when I found the soup. Still got these here, and check all these out up here. There's all the Team Transports and JH3 up there. Thanks everyone so much for watching. This is what I'm picking up today. I'll see you all next time. Bye.